Alright, so let's continue solving this age problem. Okay, Kim Chu is 25 years old. And she is also 20 years older than her sister Christine. How old is Christine? So, to solve this problem, you have to take one sentence or one phrase at a time. So, we have here Kim Chu is equivalent to 25 years old. So, simply write K is equal to 25. And she is also 20 years older than her sister Christine. So, parehas K sila. So, i-denote ko na lang na ito si Kim Chu, Kim 2. Tapos si Christine is K10. Okay? So, compare natin si Kim Chu at saka si Christine. Sa problem, sa age problem, kahit anong problem, tatandaan mo, meron dyan lagi mga comparison. That's why you have to use yung comparison operator. Okay? So, ito daw si Kim Chu is 20 years older than her sister Christine. So, plus 20 ako ngayon dito. Okay? So, if I have to write this into an equation, so si Kim Chu is equal to si Christine, mas bata siya, kaya dagdagan natin ng 20 para maging kasing edad niya si Kim Chu. So, meron tayong equation 1, tapos meron tayong equation number 2. Sa equation 1, wala tayong problema, may value na. So, substitute na lang natin yan sa equation 2 kasi sa equation 2, dalawa yung variable natin, K2 at saka K10. Tandaan mo, sa isang equation, dapat isa lang yung variable para masolve yung value. Dito dalawa di ba? So, kailangan magkaroon ng value yung isa dito. And that is yung K2 nga, kasi may value naman siya. So, that's what we're going to do. So, magiging K2 is equal to K10 plus 20. So, solve natin ito. Substitute natin yung value na 25 sa K2. So, magiging K10 plus 20. Dapat ito, wala na tayong problema dito ha. So, that will become K10 is equal to, difference na itong dalawa is 5. Okay, mas mataas yung 25 positive, ilipat yun negative, di ba? So, magiging positive. Okay, that's 5. So, ang edad ni Christine dito is 5 years old. Right? So, let's proceed with the next question. Kim Chu is 20 years older than her sister Christine. So, create ulit ako ng equation. So, ito naman lahat ay nasa present age. So, I don't have to denote of the time. So, ang importante lang muna dito, paano ka mag-create ng equation, ay lahat ito is present muna. Okay? So, Kim Chu is 20 years older than her sister Christine. So, again, si Kim Chu daw is 20 years older than her sister Christine. So, kung medyo magaling ka na, pwedeng ipapaktasin mo lang yan as you go along, paulit-ulit, may masasanay ka din. I'm going to send the PDF para masolve mo. Masasanay ka din that you'll say Kim Chu is equal to the age of Christine plus 20. Kasi mas matanda si Christine mas matanda si Kim Chu ng 20 years old. Okay? Tapos ang sabi, the sum of their ages is 30. So, yung age nila is 30. So, simply write Kim Chu plus yung edad ni Christine is equivalent sa 30. Madali lang naman yan. So, may dalawa tayong equation dito, equation 1 at saka equation number 2. Dito, hindi given yung any value ng isang variable or any of the variable. Pero mapapansin mo, dalawa yung equation natin, dalawa yung variable, so pwede yan. Take note, kung ilan yung variable, ganun din dapat yung bilang ng equation. Dalawa yung variable natin, K2 at saka K10, dalawa yung equation din natin dito. So, makikita mo parehas sila ng variable, di ba? K2, K10. This is K2 and K10. So, ang gagawin mo dyan, pag parehas sila ng variable, ay you simply do the substitution. Sasubstitute mo yan, either yung 1 papunta sa 2, o kaya yung equation number 2 papuntang equation number 1. Either of the two, pwede yan, it will work. Basta't ilalagay mo lang in terms of the other yung kanilang mga values. What do I mean? Halimbawa, itong K2, nilagay mo siya with respect to K10. So, substitute natin itong K2, substitute natin yung K2 dito, okay? So, ang value daw ng K2 is K10 plus 20. Sulat ko lang ulit mo yung equation number 2. Okay, plus K10 is equivalent to 30. Alam natin na equation number, yung value ng K2 is equivalent to this one, okay? K10 plus 20. So, yun yung isusulat ko. K10 plus 20 plus K10 is equal to 30. I-bring down lang yung K10 dito. So, magiging value ng K10 mo ngayon dyan is 2K10, di ba? Tapos ito namang, sige, sulat nga 2k10 is equal to 10, right? 30 minus 20, that's 10. So, ang k10 natin ngayon is equivalent sa 5. Okay? So, tatandaan mo lang, pwede din yung papuntay dun sa kabila. So, you try to substitute naman. Halimbawa, itong k10, k10 papunta dun sa kabila, or pahalo-halo. Okay? It will work. Okay? Basta tandaan mo na lang, para hindi ka masyadong matagalan. Pag parehas ng variable, yung dalawang equation, k2, k10, this is k2, k10, pwede ka na mag-substitute with the one, to the other one. Okay? Or pwede din elimination. Pero I usually use yung, what you call this, substitution yung gaya nito. Okay? So, makikita mo na agad na makukuha mo na agad yung value dito. Okay? So, let's proceed with the next one. Okay. Kim Chu is 25 years old. So, again, one phrase or one sentence at a time. Okay? Sige, basahin ko muna. Kim Chu is 25 years old. And she is also 5 times older than her sister Christine. How old is Christine? So, one phrase at a time. Si Kim Chu daw is 25 years old. Tapos, siya din daw is 5 times older than her sister Christine. Okay? So, this is Kim Chu. So, si Kim Chiu daw is also 5 times older than Christine. So, we're going to compare Kim Chiu at saka si Christine. Mas matanda si Kim Chiu. By how many? By 5 times. So, if you're going to write this in an equation, magiging Kim Chiu is equal to the age of Christine times 5. Okay? You multiply it. Okay? Para maging maging magkaedad na silang dalawa. Okay? Kasi mas bata ito, i-multiply ko ng 5. So, tatanda yung edad nito. Magiging balance doon. Right? So, that's how you use naman yung pag-multiplication, yung times. Kanina, yung previous problem, she is older. So, nagpa-plus tayo. Pero dito, ang comparison is 5 times. That's why we multiply it by 5. So, ganun lang lagi yung tatandaan mo pag nagko-compare ka. So, dito, dalawa yung equation natin. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Pero may value na doon. So, substitute mo na lang dito yan. So, magiging 25 is equivalent to 5 times K10, and then K10 would become 25 divided by 5. So, ang edad ni Christine is 5 years old. To sum it up, tatandaan mo lang, kung pag magsasolve ka ng age problem, tatandaan mo na nagko-compare yan ng edad ng dalawang karakter. Okay? Pero pwede din na nag-i-compare yan ng edad depending on the time. Halimbawa, yung edad mo nung past versus the edad mo ng present. Basta laging yan is nagkakaroon ng comparison. So, gagamit ka nitong comparison operator kung medyo nalilito ka pa. Right? Tapos, gagawin mo na lang na equals yun. Okay? So, yun yung tatanda mo sa age problem. Yung kung pagsasolve naman, itong mga interpolations nito, kung paano yung mga algebraic expression, kung paano mo substitute, you just have to try to practice una sa dalawang variable. So, may bibigay akong problem, you solve it.